There's a miracle glue out there that you're gonna have to have. Stay tuned. I'll tell you why. Hello, my name is Derek, and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you're learning about things that will help you in everyday life. Now, I came across this glue called Sugru. It comes in a little package like this. I discovered it because of a YouTuber named SeeJaneDrill. She mentioned it. I picked some up. She said it was the best thing in the world. Didn't really know why. Didn't care. Let it sit on a shelf forever. And then fast forward a couple months, I have this mug. I got this mug from my wife. I love it because it's huge. It's kind of has a weird saying on it, but who cares? But I love tea. Coffee's nasty, so never put that in here. But it's heavy, and it started cracking, and one day the handle broke in 3 places. So I tried to find a new one, but couldn't really find one I liked that was as good as this one. So I said, hey, I remembered I had the Sugru, so I was like, why not? Let's try it. So you can see here, I broke it in 3 places. Here I broke it and there was still a little bit left. So you just take the Sugru, it's like sticky tack, and you wrap it around and then just kind of mold it together, hold it there. Did the same thing here. Now the really cool part is right here where it broke off. There was no little piece. It broke clear off the cup. So here it's actually sticking to the cup. And as you can see, it's holding. Even with liquid in it, it's not coming off. It's on there tight, which I was amazed. I babied this thing forever because I didn't think it was gonna make it. But it works just fine, and love it. It's heavy, very heavy. So this would have given way if it didn't work. It is a little soft, so I can stick my nail into it, but it's strong and it's on there. And it says it's supposed to kind of be kind of like a rubberish material feeling to it. So, but yeah, this thing is great. And then if you look inside the packet I have, it comes in many different colors, red, white, orange, whatever you want. So if I actually cared, I could have actually gotten some white ones, molded it a little better. But like I said, I didn't think this was work. That's why I don't even have a before for you to show you that it was broken, because I didn't think it was gonna work. It was just my last hope. I tried it and I was shocked that, because as soon as I picked it up, I thought this is gonna break. But like I said, it's on there. So on the packet, it'll tell you all the different things you can do with it, that it sticks to almost virtually anything. I could have made a new handle out of the Sugru if I wanted to. It takes about 24 hours to dry, but I thought that would have been a little cheesy. Also, I'll link below where you can get it. And then also I'll link below kind of the infomercial to kind of show you what it's all about if I didn't give you enough detail. So like I said, not really gonna be a long video. Didn't really mean to make it, but after trying the product, I have to say I love it. And yeah, definitely will use it again. So, oh, one more thing. So for all of you who may or may not know, my channel is really a lot about DIY. So, and a lot of people ask me questions that I can't really answer because it's really hard to do over YouTube. So I made a Facebook page. I'll link it down below. So now if you want to send a picture, a video, or ask more in-depth questions, we can do that over there, and I can get deep dive into your question a little bit more than I can in a YouTube comment. So check it out if you'd like. Also, you can mention any future videos you'd like to see, and I'll try to get those out there for you. But as always, like and subscribe, and talk to you later. Take care.